Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Power to Edu. Hello friends, today we are going to discuss the very basic of SCF and LCM. This is a part of number system. So starting with SCF. SCF is basically the largest factor of two given number. For example, we have two numbers like 15 and 20. So we have to calculate the largest factor of these two number. So this can be done in multiple ways. We'll discuss the methods later. So now we can write 15 as 5 into 3 and 20 as 5 into 4. So the common is 5. So 5 is the SCF of the given numbers. Now we'll quickly discuss about LCM. LCM is the least number which is divisible by each of the given number. This is basically the least number which can divide both the numbers. Okay, so we have, for example, we have two numbers 12 and 18, and we can write this 12 as 6 into 2 and 6 into 3, and 6 is the common which will divide both the numbers. So 6 is the LCM of the given numbers. Now we have multiple methods to calculate HCF and LCM of the given numbers. So to calculate the HCF we have two methods. The first method is factorization. So by the method of factorization we can calculate SCF and LCM as well. So the basic of this method is we have to prime factorization. We have to prime factorize the given numbers. For example, we have three numbers 288, 432 and 768. So first of all we will this prime factorize the given numbers. So for example, I have done this for 288. So you have to divide this by the prime numbers. This is known as prime factorization. So 2 2 2 2. So by doing this you have to prime factorize the given numbers. So 288 it is 25 into 3 to the power 2. 432 can be written as this. 768 can be written as this. So the highest common which can be taken out of these three given numbers is 2 to the power 4 is the maximum which can be taken out from the given numbers, and 3 to the power 1 is the maximum power which can be taken out. So 2 into 4 into 3 to the power 1, 48 is the HCF of the given numbers. Now we will see the same method can be used in LCM as well. So same method, you have to first prime factorize the given number which can be written as this, this and this. This is the same method we have used in this SCF method. So in there is basically one step you have to do extra in calculation of LCM. Okay, so first of all you have to take out the maximum of it, maximum common out of it. So 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 1 is common which is taken out, and this is same as SCF. Okay, this always remain the SCF. Now we have to take the LCM of the remaining numbers. 2 to the power 5, 3 to the power 2. So 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 1 is taken out. So remaining is 2 to the power 1 and 3 to the power 1. Same like this, 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 2. 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 0 is remaining. Now you have to take the maximum power of 2 and maximum power of 3 from the given numbers, from the remaining numbers. Okay, so you will see 2 to the power 1, to the power 0 and 2 to the power 4. So 2 to the power 4 is the maximum. So you have to take out this 2 to the power 4, and 3 to the power 2 is the maximum number here. So it is taken out. So this is the LCM of the given numbers. So you have to multiply this 288 and 224. 288 and 24, this is the LCM of the given numbers. So there is other method as well. You will see it can be done by division method as well. Okay, so division method, what does it method says? You have two numbers, right? 288 and 432. So you have to write like this. So this is the most common method we used from the very beginning. Since childhood we are using this method. From the basic math you can calculate like this. So LCM, you have to divide this by starting with prime numbers. You have to divide it with 2, then 3. So this is most common method. What we have to do is, like, you have to write the numbers first, 288 and 432. Now you need to divide with the, you need to calculate. Basically you have to see that what can divide these numbers. So you can either divide by 2 or 3. Okay, it doesn't matter, it doesn't matter whether you start from 2 or 3, it will get calculated simply. So you have to divide it was starting with 2, so 144 and 216. Again, it is even number, it can divided by 2. So 2 2 2, same wise, if 9 is remaining, 27 is remaining, this will get divided by 3. So after doing this, you will see like this, 1 is 1 is remaining. Okay, so you need to calculate how much power of 2 is there and how much power of 3 is there. So 2 to the power and 3 to the power 3, which gives you 864, is the LCM of the given numbers. This is the most common method. You can use it for 2 number, 3 number, 4 numbers, 5 numbers, or 6 numbers, whatever the numbers are given to you. Okay, so going to SCF. So this is basically the long division method, which is commonly used in SCF calculation using this method. So theory, what does the theory says? Theory says you have to take two numbers, divide the greater number by the smaller number, then divide the divisor by the remainder, and so on until the remainder is 0. The last divisor is the SCF. For example, two numbers are given, 288 and 432. 288 is smaller and 432 is greater. So 288 will divide 432. So starting with 288 ones are 281. We have written the 1 here. So 288 into 288, it gives you minus, you have to subtract this. So 288 minus 432 minus 288 gives you 144, same as we divide the common numbers. Okay, but now 144 is remaining. Now you have to divide 288, the remaining number, by 144. Okay, now 144 into 2 is 288, and the remainder is 0. You have to calculate till here. Okay, now this last divisor is known as the SCF of the two given numbers. I hope you understand. If in case you find any problem, you can comment in the comment section. Okay, now these are the basically takeaways you can generally refer. Basically, the product of two numbers is always equal to the LCM into SCF. For example, 288 we have calculated above the SCF and LCM of 288 and 432. Now you can multiply these two numbers and you can multiply the SCF and LCM, both will be equal. And other thing is, LCM is always the multiple of SCF. LCM is always the multiple of SCF. LCM is, for example, here is LCM is 864 and LCM and SCF is 144. So LCM is multiple of SCF. You can multiply 144 into something, you will get 864. Thank you guys, hope you like it. If you like the video, you can do like, subscribe and share. It will motivate me to upload more videos. So I am very thankful.